Well, hey family, this is Darlene, Jewelry by BDK. Stopping by real quick to have a conversation with you and let you know that the Facebook group has been created. It is Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone, and I will put the link to the Facebook page in the description area. We got some things going on over there, right? We have business materials in the sense of maybe goal planning workbooks. There's a lot of different materials that are being uploaded to the group. Not only that, we have some very inspiring, some very motivating uh, ladies that are over there already. And when I tell you that they are absolutely amazing, they are absolutely amazing. The content that they share, the advice that they pour into each one of their posts, they're very encouraging, and it's a really nice group. So if you're looking for a group that is inspiring, motivating, and worth being a part of, and very positive, it's a really really nice group. So be sure to to join if you want to. If not, that's fine too. We're gonna still boogie and have a good time over there. I needed to pack up some earrings in the bottle. So I have an order for 100 earrings in the bottle. And when I make the earrings in the bottle, I usually put them back in the box. So I make them and I'll put them in the box just to store so they're out of the way. And I only got like these trays out. So I'm going to work from these trays. I'm going to work from the box. And I have 3 boxes here that have earrings in the bottle. And I'm just going to be bagging them up so I can get these all shipped out. And I'm going to try to get them shipped out tomorrow. I always give myself a 7-day lead, but I always try to get the order out sooner than, of course, 7 days. I mean, hey, who wants to be waiting that long? But I only do that so just in case the items are maybe not in stock, but it's a really simple item that I can work on or make really quick. And what I'm doing is I usually, because these are wholesale orders, I don't put a business card or anything in the bag because they're wholesale orders, and it's not like they're trying to buy anything at retail. They don't need to be on my regular website, or anything like that. So I basically just bag them up and just kind of package it like so, and it'll be 100 of them that I'm shipping out. And that's the thing about these little earrings in the bottle, they sell really well. And it's a couple of you guys, I think you said, I know Crystal is one, and Crystal said that she did pretty good the last time she did an event, and that's good stuff. And if you guys don't mind sharing, like maybe the pictures so we can see what they look like, and share them in the group, the Facebook group, Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone, so we can see what you're doing over there. And then the next contest that we're going to be having is for a not Michael's, Hobby Lobby. We're going to do a Hobby Lobby. It'll be for a $50 gift card. Whoever, wins. And now the first contest that was kind of quick. I kind of sprung that on them, right? They didn't even know I was going to do that. But I enjoyed the fact that they participated like they participated. And when I say they made some beautiful pieces. Oh my God, you just got to see them. So this time it's going to be for a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card. The first contest was for a $25 gift card to Joann's. And so the next one, well, the first one, let's back down to the first one. So the first one, they had to make 5 designs. And the way that it's being rated is by hearts on Facebook. So whoever gets the most hearts for their designs, that is who is going to win the gift card. Keeping in mind that it has to be that simple, because I am that busy to where the simplest way that we could do this is the best way for me on the back end. right? I don't have the time to do all that real complex, difficult stuff. I don't have time for that. So I figure whoever gets the most hearts, that is who will win the gift cards. And it's good so far because I went through there already and I kind of counted hearts and like for each designer and all that kind of stuff. And I said, okay, it'll work this way. And not only will it work that way because anybody and everybody can see and count the hearts just like I can, so we all will know, oh, okay, so and so got the most hearts. And if you guys want to go over and look at the designs, by all means go over there and do that, because closing for voting ends tomorrow, Friday. And then that way, if you want to see the designs that are up and you want to possibly, go ahead and vote for the designs that you like the best, by all means, go ahead and do that. That will be really cool. So some good stuff going on. Making some stuff happen, and I'm working on a couple of ebooks. One is going to be social media marketing and how to create a social media strategy. So I am working on that ebook, and I should be done with that hopefully soon. I'm going through, I'm doing the editing, just doing some stuff on that, and you'll know about that by way of the Facebook. I'll post it in there whenever that ebook is ready, and then that way you'll know when it's available for purchasing. And then also I'm working on another ebook, which is how to build self-esteem, right? So I'm working on a couple of things that I plan to have ready and launch like really soon. In addition to, I'm going to be uploading more free content on that Facebook page. So it's some really good stuff, really good tools. I mean, really good information. So if you want to be a part of it, you probably want to boogie over there now to Facebook, Jewelry by BDK, Creators Zone, and send your requests to join the group, and I'll go in and I'll accept you, and we'll just keep this party moving. So in the meantime, I got 100 of these I need to get all packed up, and that's what I'm working on now, so I can get these shipped out for tomorrow. And then when I just checked this morning, I have another order. It's only 25 though, and that's good though. 25 is okay. These little things, they sell out really good, and I'm thinking what people probably like about them, because you can use these for those little swag bags. I mean, they're really good for swag bags. They're good for like little wedding favors. They're good for just a little special gift for bags, or even if you're having like some type of ladies event at the church and you have to set up seats, and hey, they have their name plates. You could even put gifts like this at each one and just kind of line them up, along, as party favors, as wedding favors, as great for women conferences and all those type of things. Anyway, I think that's it. Not a whole lot, and I'm gonna probably start working on some bracelets later, and then I need to do another jewelry haul. And I did a poll asking if you prefer to see me make the jewelry, or if you like seeing the jewelry after I do the haul. And I think I like the idea of doing the haul and then showing you what I made from the haul. I just kind of like that idea, and that's why I presented it. I'm gonna do them both ways, but I was just trying to get a gauge to see the interest. And the interest was more of to see jewelry made, and I like that too. I like to watch the DUIs, like what people do in the home DUIs, and I like to see the start to the finish, just that whole process. And it's just something about watching that entire process, that is it's engaging. I like to see it, just to see how it's going to come out, what it's going to look like, you know, all those good things. And you can see how simple this is because these are wholesale, so they don't need. I'm going to put my marketing material inside the box, but each bag does not need a business card or anything. So it's like, we ain't doing all that because they're wholesale. It's not like they're retail. Oh, and that's another thing I'm working on too, is wholesale versus retail, the difference between the two. So that's some other material. That'll probably be free material I'm going to upload on the in the Facebook group. So if you're not over there, you might want to go over there. You might be missing out on some good stuff. We got some goodies coming up. And I am going to go ahead and finish these out so I can package them up and get them shipped out. And guess what, family? We will talk soon.